We are now here in Lane Cove National Park. It is the parking area. We're going to explore first. We're going to check if we can stay here for tonight. There's a little chance that is possible, but we're going to check. And because the GPS is not giving me the right direction, yeah, I end up here again in another shopping mall. This Macquarie Shopping Center. I'm not going to bring the camera because yeah, some security guard, they really speak to people with kind of this camera. Yeah, good morning guys. The time now is already 4:45 and yeah, I can't sleep anymore. I have been awake since yeah, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Yeah, I was trying to sleep again, but yeah, I can't sleep anymore. I am basically here in one of the business center here in Macquarie. All I know about Macquarie Park is they have a big shopping mall, and they also have a university in here, a lot of universities, and yeah, that's all I know about this place. I saw there is train station here. Let's go there. So basically last night, coming from the shopping center, I arrived here at around 6 o'clock, and then maybe I was sleeping already from 7 o'clock, and then by yeah, when I wake up, I heard a noise like putting something on the ground on the road, and I thought they are going to tow my car. Yeah, because it sounds like that, you know, when they put something on the floor. Yeah, and then I look outside. So basically they are fixing something on the drainage, and since that time I did not able to sleep. That's around 2 o'clock. There is already one bus, but still no so much cars. Yeah, this is one of the waiting area for the bus. This is their train station. There's one 7-Eleven. Let's go there. We buy coffee. This area where I am right now, if you are in the Philippines, is similar to, or not BGC. Yeah, maybe similar to BGC or Makati City, Ayala Center. But yeah, in here mostly are offices, no residential buildings. Yeah, no residential tower, no condominium. Yeah, after a very long time, I am again going to buy coffee here in 7-Eleven. Which one? Just the large. Actually, this time I'm going to put a sugar. Here in Australia, yeah, the Krispy Kreme is usually in an outlet like this, a petrol station. You rarely see them like an actual cafe. Yeah, if you know, in the Philippines, most of the Krispy Kreme, they are an independent outlet. Yeah, they sell coffee, and yeah, there's table like a restaurant. People who like coffee usually come here in 7-Eleven to get coffee, the cheapest one here in 7-Eleven. If they want something different, they go to McDonald's. Some McDonald's is open 24 hours. I am vlogging this time because I changed the setting of my GoPro. Yeah, so this is the night mode. I don't know if you can really see me, but yeah, just trying. For sure you can hear my voice. And looks like there's nothing much to see in here, so we're going back. Yeah, this area is a business center. Yeah, a lot of buildings, offices, but no condominium. I mean, not residential buildings. If you look at the map, you're going to see on the other side of the roads purely residential, and then the rest on the other sides are business center, commercial center. That's why if you're going to walk around here in the night, you're not going to see regular people that are standing by, walking around, compared to the main city like Sydney, Brussels, New York, Manila, Bangkok. Yeah, those city, The people stays outside 24/7. Let's try to go to McDonald's. There's McDonald's there. And again, this GoPro is acting weird. Yeah, it's shutting off by itself. Maybe because of the very cold temperature this time. Yeah, this McDonald's is open 24 hours. I can see. If I go inside, what I am going to buy? Nothing. I still have coffee. The miracle come true. I know that here we are, two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't live in your mind. In my life when everything was wrong, something gonna be right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Very nice. I can sing here loud. Yeah. I can still do that because no people around here. It's like I'm in the forest. Yeah, I like it. You know, even in the house I can't really sing very loud like this because I'm worried about the neighbor. Yeah, they can hear me singing. But here, when there's no people, or like in the forest, I can sing very loud. This is their McDonald's. You know, McDonald's, they are always hiring. Look at that. More mates wanted. Apply now. If you can see that car, yeah, the guy is sleeping inside. Yeah, I can see from outside. Every sha-la-la-la, every wall still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they starting to sing so fine. Actually, let's go inside the train station. Yeah, for the reason of going to the toilet. I don't know if it's open already. We will see. Finish the coffee. Oh, it's open actually. Look, very high. This is already the second elevator going to the platform. And as expected, there's no one here. Looking at the rail network, yeah, the place is actually still near to the Sydney CBD. I thought I'm very far already because yeah, yesterday I was driving for long hours. I did not see a toilet. We're going up. For sure the security is looking at me from the CCTV. And we are back here at the road, so we are basically coming from that other side. We are going back to McDonald's actually. Yeah, I need to use the toilet. If you remember, I have a toilet bowl in my van, but yeah, I'm going to use that only for when there is no other option. What made me to go to the toilet is actually the coffee. Yeah, there is some milk, a lot of milk on that cappuccino, that's why. Yeah, I just used the toilet. I didn't buy anything. Actually, whenever I do this, yeah, I always buy something just to have a reason to get inside or to use their facilities like toilet. But yeah, I didn't buy anything. It's alright, I think. Yeah, it's still dark up here. It's already 5 something. And vehicles are getting more now. I'm going back to the car. Yeah, the guy is still sleeping. Yeah, I'm going back to the car, going to charge my phone and the camera because we are going to be walking in the national park. There are so many eucalyptus trees in here. That's why walking around here, it smells really like a eucalyptus. It's like you put Vicks on your nostrils. It is already 6 o'clock. Actually, that's why there's no people because today is Sunday. I'm now back in the car, and the temperature outside and inside is the same, cold. The only difference is that there's no wind, no harsh wind inside here. Okay, we're going to leave this place now, and we're going to walk around the bushland. I have this food that I bought from the shopping mall last night. I didn't finish. Yeah, Korean food. And I will leave it here. And that's going to be my lunch. Okay, before we leave this place, Yes, basically this is where I stay. This is a ticket parking from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. That means that it is free to park here from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Yeah, this is a business center. You see a lot of buildings here, and actually on the other side is a ticket parking for 12 hours. It means that you pay and you can stay for up to 12 hours during the paid parking time, and then the rest of the night will be free. Okay, that's it, and we go and reach this place. The name is Thornley. Yeah, as I was driving here, it is going up, and the road coming from Macquarie Park is really nice, very smooth. Yeah, it's asphalted road and it's very nice. It's not my intention to come here, but because it says the road is closed, so I end up coming here. My intention is to go to the Lane Cove National Park. Oh, very cold. And we are now here. The national park is inside, but it's still closed, the parking, and will be opening by 9 o'clock. It's still 8:30 at the moment. Yeah, and you'll notice that there are many cars in here. For sure these people, they are jogging. This is actually the area where I was yesterday.